100%. They're gonna blitz it, and there goes that AOG that we are looking for. Tidal Strike na din nagamit. And there's gonna be, there you go, the big knockup that we're waiting for. Super Prince all had to work all the way in. Ruby DD play coming in from Super Prince. I think that will be a very crucial play. Naku po! And may assist pa ng Lord dito sa gilid. Oh my goodness. Everything fell apart there for TL. 2 down. Pero looks like dalawa din ang nawala sa Onyx.
Oh, that was so close. Pero nandito na nagmamadali itong si Sanji. As well as si Sanford.
Tinatakbo nila!
Papagyuhin na! Tinatakbo na 6 seconds bago mag-spawn ng minions.
Hindi makauwi!
Bruce is here!
Hindi
Is this the end angle? Eto na si Prince!
Oh my goodness, they are in range of the base.
Oh,
One more hit will take it. Pero walang minion na nakadikit. Chessman pinipilit na with all his might para hampasin yung base. Pero hindi talaga sapat. And Team Liquid Philippines will get wiped out. One hit moment na naman.
Kelra and friends! Ito yung hinahanap ng Onyx Philippines. Kapag naprotektahan yung DPS nila, they're gonna profit. Pinanish nila ng malala itong si JP. They have sacrificed King Kong. Brusco was on point. But of course, the DPS of Onyx Philippines so good. Kel1 can only stand